'cause space, space makes me sad.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be attempting to go vegetarian for a week. I don't really know how to feel about this. I think I can do it, but I like it. I love chicken a lot. That's my like favorite thing in the world is chicken wings, or just chicken chopped up with rice or quinoa or something like that. I love chicken, so it's gonna be hard for me to let go of chicken for a week, but I'm excited. Try something new, get into it, I don't know. So if you are new to my channel, hi there, my name is Shelby and welcome to my channel. If you're not new, thanks for sticking around. I'm so glad to see you guys again. Of course, if you guys have not already, make sure to hit subscribe down below. Don't forget to leave a like, and of course, without further ado, let's get on to the video. So today is Monday, so for breakfast I am making peanut butter and banana toast with some fruit, I think. I'm not 100% sure.
Say what we mean, say it from the heart. From the heart. Wrinkles and grays, don't be alarmed, because you're safe with me. The beautiful signs of our story so far, so far. Both called it from the beginning. We called it. We knew that there had to be us. Knew that there had to be us. Do what we gotta do to stay winning. Fights and fights will keep trust. And you make me wanna say, I love you better today.
Alright, so we are all done with breakfast and I will see you guys for lunch. Alright you guys, so now it's time for lunch. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna make for lunch yet, but I'm gonna figure it out. I'm looking at some recipes right now, so I will let you guys know when I find something.
It's gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same. La, da, 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 da. La, da, da,
Guys, so for dinner I am having black bean enchiladas with a red sauce, so I'm gonna make that right now. I'm not gonna show you guys a whole lot, but I'll show you guys the finished product and I'm really excited to try it.
It's gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same. Better than yesterday. Love more today. It's gonna play out the same.
Good morning guys, today is day 2 going vegetarian. Guys, so for breakfast today I'm having cream of wheat with a little bit of maple syrup to add sweetness in replacement of sugar, and I have some strawberries on top, which I think these are about like 3 or 4 strawberries. It's just a day 2 check-in. I've kind of had to adapt to my new workout routine just because, like I said, it's not healthy to underconsume and over workout. It's definitely not healthy, so I've adapted and I'm actually liking it way better. I actually feel better eating just vegetarian. For some reason, I don't know, I feel more energetic, but it's only day 2, so we still have a few days to go. So enough talking, let's get to eating. So for today's lunch, we are having Chipotle, and I got a guacamole brown rice bowl with sofritas, which is like their plant-based meat, so we're gonna try it. I have a tortilla and I have a little bowl with fajita veggies, plant-based protein, a few dollops of guacamole, and some pico de gallo. This too, but it's really good, and quite honestly, I really like the plant-based protein a lot than I thought I would. So it's pretty good. I thought today I'd kind of give myself like a break, or you know, just try something new. And Chipotle sounded really good today, so we did Chipotle, and I'm very impressed.
I don't know what y'all. Ah! You better stop! Stop!
So I'ma have another no. I don't need a hint.
Morning guys, so today I'm starting off my morning with breakfast, and I think I'm gonna have a bagel with some fruit, and yeah, I'm gonna go make my breakfast right now, and I will see you guys again at lunch.
I want something that's cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to. Somebody to
So this is my breakfast for this morning. I'm not putting cream cheese on my bagel, and I know that sounds weird, but I really just like the bagels by themselves. And then I'm having a banana with it, so that's my morning breakfast for today.
I don't need a hint to hold tight. Don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to. Someone that's on my mind. I want something that's cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody. I just want somebody.
This is what I'm having for lunch today, and I kind of just got this idea just because I was like, you know what, I want something that's going to be quick to make today and something that's going to be really good, so I just decided to make this.
I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I just want somebody to talk to. Someone that's on my mind. I want something that's cool.
Hey guys, so this morning I'm going to be making Japanese souffle pancakes for breakfast. I really honestly love this recipe a lot, so we're going to make it.
Just want somebody to talk to. Somebody to talk to talk to. I just want somebody. Just want somebody. Yeah, I just want somebody. Somebody to talk to. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating all the way. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad.
I really made my own whipped cream just for this recipe.
Feeling like Pluto.
I kind of reward myself for doing really good this week with being vegetarian and everything. I don't know. So I decided to kind of go all out, have some strawberries, some whipped cream, and of course, some pancakes. Guys, so my breakfast is done. I have a souffle, Japanese souffle pancake, kind of. And I have some strawberries and a little bit of homemade whipped cream that I whipped up. And now I'm gonna share the rest with my family. And yeah. Guys, so it's lunchtime. Alright guys, so my lunch is done. Today I am having a little grilled cheese just because I ran out of time and I had a kind of a late breakfast, more of a brunch I like to say. So this is kind of like something that I just wanted to whip up quick. So I just have a grilled cheese, I have some snap pea crisp things, and a banana. So I'm hungry. I'm gonna go downstairs, get ready to making lunch because I did not eat breakfast today, but I got to. So I'm gonna go make lunch and I will see you guys when I'm down there.
You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turn into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moonlight that never shows. I should've told you that I loved you one more time. One more time. One more time. I should've told you
Morning
that
guys, so today is Saturday. So today I'm actually going to lunch with my grandma. We're gonna have bagels. So breakfast, that's what I have planned. I'm not sure what I'm doing for lunch, but I'll update you guys when I'm here. I'm back. Morning guys, so today is my last day of being vegetarian. So for breakfast today, I'm going to be eating a bagel, the same type of bagel I had yesterday. We actually bought some bagels from the place we went to yesterday. So I'm going to be having that for breakfast, and I really apologize for not filming yesterday. We were out and about all day and I had to do a lot of stuff, and it was a family member's birthday, so we were celebrating. And yeah, so I was really bad at picking it up, but basically yesterday I had bagel for breakfast, and for lunch dinner I had a nice vegetarian like enchilada, but instead of beans, it was filled with black beans. It was refried beans, so it was good. But now we're gonna make breakfast, so let's go do that. Alright you guys, so this is what I'm having for lunch today. It's some feta cheese, carrots, cauliflower, broccoli, and some cauliflower, or actually not cauliflower, garbanzo bean pasta or chicken pasta. And this is basically like a cold pasta salad, like a cold pasta Italian salad. So yeah, this is what I'm having today. It's also nice to have because it's a 100-degree day outside today, so we're chilling out today, just eating this. Alright guys, so I've successfully completed a week of being vegetarian. Now, I was not a vegetarian before this, and I think after this I will be somewhat vegetarian. I'm not going to go 100% because I feel like it's kind of hit and miss. I'd like to have that option if I go out with friends or something to be able to eat just normally. But if I'm at home and I have that freedom, I want to definitely continue it because I feel a lot better. And I know this sounds super cliche to be like, well, yeah, I'm vegetarian now, but I really honestly feel much better. And I didn't miss chicken a whole lot than I thought I would because, like I said, I don't really eat meat anyway, but the only one I really do like is chicken. So I'm gonna probably treat myself every 2 to 4 weeks with a piece of chicken or something for lunch or dinner, and I'm just gonna continue with that, and otherwise I'm gonna follow it because I just really enjoy it. I have considered trying like plant-based diets. I could not go vegan. I mean, I would try it, but I don't think I could do it 100% just because I feel like, I don't know, I gotta get used to the vegetarian factor first, and then maybe one day I'll try being vegan for a week, but for now, this is a good start. Guys, so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you enjoyed my journey and kind of sharing with you guys what I ate in a week, or what I am going to be eating in a week from now on. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to leave a like down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and of course, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you all so very much. Bye!